Ramzan Kadyrov, the leader of Russia's Chechen region, said on Telegram on September 3 that he deserves to take an indefinite and long break from his post, sparking speculation about whether he was seriously considering stepping down or seeking some favor from the Kremlin. Kadyrov has ruled Chechnya with an iron fist since 2007 and is the longest-serving leader of a Russian region. "I realize that I have been sitting in my position for a long time," he said in a video statement peppered with laughs. "I think my time has come to leave power." It is unclear what Kadyrov, who is one of the most powerful figures in Russia, would do next if he were to step down. Kadyrov has close relations with Russian President Vladimir Putin, meeting with the Kremlin leader regularly. The two last met on August 5 in Sochi. Kadyrov has made similar comments in the past, only to remain in his post, raising questions about whether his unexpected announcement was a ploy. "I'm skeptical. He has said things like this in the past," said Ivan Klitsch, a Caucasus expert and doctoral candidate at the Johan Skytte Institute of Political Studies in Estonia. "These typically arrive when he wants to get something out of Putin, at the very least a public expression of support." But analysts said the timing of this statement, coming amid the biggest war in Europe since World War II, was unusual. Kadyrov has played an important role in promoting Russia's war in Ukraine and has recruited fighters to fight alongside Russian troops, who have suffered heavy losses in Ukraine. Anton Barbashin, the editorial director at analytical platform Riddle Russia, called the timing peculiar. Kadyrov's announcement would be against the general vibe of Russia now. "The entire system's message is to stay put because of the war in Ukraine," Barbashin said in a tweet. "If what Kadyrov has just said is true and he is retiring voluntarily, it would be unprecedented. Something literally no one was expecting," he said. Under his rule, the region has been accused of massive human rights violations, including against people suspected of being homosexual. He has been accused of ordering the political assassinations of opponents living in Europe. Kadyrov has helped round up fighters for the war in Ukraine as the Kremlin faces manpower issues, potentially giving him some leverage. Kadyrov in March reportedly traveled to Ukraine, where members of his battle-hardened militia force are believed to be fighting alongside regular Russian forces. At the time, the TV channel controlled by Kadyrov's administration in Chechnya posted a video to the Telegram messaging app on March 13 saying Kadyrov was in Ukraine, though it did not give his exact whereabouts or say when the video was taken.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.